Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Wycliffe Ayenda, the Vice Chairman of Shabana Football Club. First and foremost, I want to thank the Almighty God for guiding us through this season, NSL 2022-2023, whereby we are now the champions of NSL 2022-2023. It's not been easy, but through the support and prayers of our fans, of our management team, we were able to achieve this. So for me, it is a very important moment, for not just for the fans, not just for the management team, but for the leaders who have been supporting us, but for the Gusii community at large. This win for Shabana means a lot to us, those who are in management, because number one, it has helped us to unify our people in Gusii land. And see, we have players from Nyamira and Gusii, and even outside the two counties, and that is something that we are proud of, that we have been able to blend in all these resources to achieve what we have been able to achieve this season. I would want to, in a special way, to thank the management of Shabana, because we have been together, we have been reading from the same script. It has been a sacrifice for us, personal resources, individual resources, collective resources, that we were able to honor all the matches for the season, and we are able to at least manage to stay together. The synergy within the management team has been wonderful, and we do appreciate that the same will continue as we get into the new chapter in the KPL. Just like any other, mostly these NSL clubs, we've been having challenges, especially on the resources. But the way we have been able to approach this through management, we were able to seek ways and means of making sure that first and foremost the playing unit stays together. That is something that we managed to overcome, because the players sometimes you need to put them together. They have to speak from the same or play from the same within the same rules. Resources we were able to harness as management and through our fans. Basically that was the main challenge, but we managed to overcome, and that's why I want to thank the management and the fans for making this possible for us. Regarding our stadium, yes, we understand it's not up to the required standards, especially in the KPL, as we get into the KPL league. But we have been in constant consultation with the management of the stadium, and also the county management that is in charge of the playing the stadium. They have assured us, actually, even previously they had assured us that what is actually holding them back from making the necessary renovations was that we were still using the stadium for home matches. We had no any other stadium to use, and that's why they took a bit of time, so that we conclude our matches like we did on Saturday. And now we have been assured that the work will start immediately after our game, which was on Saturday. So we are very much aware of the developments. They have been able to meet all the stakeholders. That is the county in charge of sports, officers in charge of sports. They have been able to meet all the stakeholders involved, and the work will commence very soon, because they were only waiting for us to conclude our home matches. They are the ones who helped us to promotion, and we, where necessary as management, and through the guidance from our coach, our very able coach, and the technical bench, will be able to reinforce where necessary. But our intention is to keep the playing unit together, so that we are able to celebrate this achievement together. Our fans, very soon we are starting a recruitment exercise for all the branches countrywide. Even diaspora, actually, they want to be part of this journey. So we expect even more than what we have been able to see through from our fans, and I'm very much optimistic that it is going to be the best experience for the Kenyan football once Shabana starts to play in the KPL league. That is our intention, to have him. He's a very wonderful and experienced coach,